I chose AUT because it's actually the only university that offers a hospitality degree, and I was quite keen to study in like a formal university rather than a tech.
We rate the qualifications that come out of AUT. We actively work with the tutors there. Our pastry chef from here has a very good relationship with AUT. We attend their graduations. We even sponsor prizes for some of the various graduations. We take a lot of the students in on work experience. I mean, we want the best students.
It's an international reputation. AUT have some great relationships with universities in Australia and Singapore and the USA. And of course, those doorways are open for you immediately as a student if you decide to come and study here.
It puts you one step above the rest of them. If there's someone that hasn't got a degree that's going into the industry, you're obviously going to be picked over someone else if you have a qualification from AUT.
The qualifications that you get here, especially in the cookery programs and the beverage programs, you can pick them up and you can take them overseas with you. They're fully transportable, and it's something that AUT's reputation is based on that and attached to that.
AUT set me up well for the real world. We were in an environment where the tutors that we had, a lot of them were still hands-on in the industry. They were working in different restaurants. You know, my own network started from university. I'm still in touch today with a lot of the people that I met then.
Being in the tourism industry, you have to be a person that is full of dynamic skills, multi-purpose skills, and just be a people's person. So if you have a nice smiling face and you love talking to people and you love helping people and you're passionate about and learning about different cultures, then I think, yep, tourism is the way to go.
Studying tourism just opens up so many doors, and if you don't have that background knowledge, then you can't go on and do managerial roles or higher education. So it's imperative to get that baseline knowledge.
I think the standard of learning is great because all the lecturers are actually involved in other activities beyond lecturing. They're not all just academic stuff. They have their own consultancies or own businesses, or have worked in their own businesses, which means they bring a lot of practical experience.
We were taught to do things to the best of our ability and held accountable to those standards. It was, yeah, definitely, it was excellent education.
Work experience is amazing. Doing this internship at BFM has definitely given us experience in the industry. It's pretty much pushed us right into it from day one.
I enjoy AUT the most just because they give you many opportunities to kind of go out into the workforce and get a lot of work experience, and they back you up that whole way.
I would definitely recommend the university to other people because it offers you a great environment, great opportunities, and they're constantly changing, and they make sure you change with them.
I'd definitely recommend AUT and the qualification I did. Look, it set me up. It was a world-renowned qualification. I had the benefit of spending a lot of my career overseas. The qualifications I got were recognised overseas. You know, I was able to get into different kitchens based on the education I'd got at AUT. And yeah, look, I'd definitely recommend it for anyone.
I would have no problem recommending AUT or the event management degree to anyone that wanted to get out there and be creative, do something with their life. It's an amazing degree, an amazing university.